Okay, hover above so you don't get in the way of the scene where I am.
Oh, overheating. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. The set for Pinballs in the Mist. What a classic.
Go
Careful
man.
where you step. You never know what
Oh, I
Wonderful.
forgot that one.
lurks
He
behind the
admits I
scenes.
can't tweak him.
What was that?
What? I forgot two
Anyone
of them.
there?
And
Dun
three
dun
of
dun.
I played
This
someone
is
who knew
gonna be
karate.
beautiful. I know this
He's
is
not
gonna be
even
more.
moving his mouth.
Is it?
The chicken.
Chicken.
Yes,
New
yes,
story
it
character
is.
DLC.
May I present star of stage and screen, Odd Sock.
Chicken.
Chicken sock. Look at it run. Jesus.
I gotta get out.
Get him go up the walls.
I forgot a couple of these. Oh my god.
Odd
Chicken sock.
Let me introduce you to Cloth Kid.
They're just sitting there.
Look at you two. Natural co-stars. Chemistry.
It's just spinning around. What the fuck is going on?
We better roll. This place isn't safe.
I need to
Yeah.
fix this all and you're gonna record it. Oh my god.
Yeah, this for life.
Look out!
Oh my goodness.
That was not in the
Yeah, I
script.
forgot a couple.
Thankfully, I'm a master of improvisation. Cloth Kid, you head back to the swamp. We'll see you up there.
Where the hell am I?
Well, ready to step back?
Okay, here we go. Once I'm done, you want to record this saying DLC, OC, extra DLC scene.
Oh, that evil Newton costume?
Hang on, no. I'll show you. Like this character right here. I'm like, oh, WC, he's evil. So I just like out of it.
Oh, I want his airship.
Oh, I got his airship already. I can give it to you later. Hang on.
I'm in his hat.
I
Is
know
this a
who to make
decoration?
her. Hmm?
Oh no.
No,
probably just
it's an actual story item.
visualized.
I'll show you later. Oh, stop it.
What is that?
Who should I make her? Josh, you're not fucking hey. Who should I make
That's
her?
a. What is that? I don't even know what that is.
What are you doing? Stop it.
Where'd you go? Oh, there you
Stop
are.
it. Now watch.
I'm just moving.
What do you mean? Wait, what's this?
Yeah. I think that's a bomb.
Yeah, it's the bomb that blew up the ship. Well, you'll see in a second. I'm not done. Don't touch things or make things die.
I'm just gonna stand in this bomb and grab it.
I'm just really tired. Hang on. I know who we should make the lady. We should make the lady Dende.
Where'd you go?
We should make the lady Dende.
I can't see. I can hear you. Oh, you're down there. I think. What the f... What just happened? What's going on? What's going... Jesus Christ. Oh, there you are. I'm all the way back here. I'm gonna zoom in on your face.
Okay. All the scenes far apart. I know how developers, that's why they consume things. Wait, what's done here?
Jesus.
Wait, does this belong to the hook hat or something? Yeah, it does. It's the thing.
Amazing.
Yeah, here we go.
Wee.
Using the story rail.
Woo!
Dende!
Candy exploding in the background, but it's really fireworks.
That's just one scene, okay? Now watch and learn. Now sit back, go down here, land,
Wait, I'm not done yet.
land. Hey, we're done, Josh, please. Sit down and land. And watch
There we
and
go.
learn. Land.
Where'd you go? You're not even
Now watch.
on the
Land.
map anymore.
Yes, you are. Land. Now watch.
Oh my god, what's going on?
Do you suppose suppose you would survive if I pushed you
Look at
off?
the little odd side.
No,
Or no, toggle.
Falcon's heroes will soon be
It looks like
reunited.
an earthworm.
I must maintain my royal composure. After all, we're finally on track for a happy ending.
I just want to see
How
this so
right you
bad.
are.
Sorry.
A perfect day for target practice. Fools!
Oh my god.
I should keep it centered.
Oh my god, did you see him spin in the air? Oh god.
Oh god.
What the hell?
Oh, I chances.
What just happened?
You'll pay for this, bird brain.
Head back
Oh,
to the lagoon
God.
while Swoop and I give him the slip. I will be
was
displeased if you've
hilarious.
forgotten your fancy flap work, bird.
That's not a bird.
Let's
you blind
go.
man.
He just flew away. That is hilarious.
I can't breathe.
That was
Ladies
funny.
and gentlemen.
That was hilarious.